Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by today's video, I don't know exactly what I titled this video, but we are doing an affordable, easy, glittery makeup tutorial for you guys. I always feel like when people think about glitter looks, they don't feel like it's something you can do just really quick and easy. And I just wanted to show you that you can. You don't need the most expensive products. You don't need tons of time. You just need a couple of products, and everything that I used in today's video is all from the drugstore, and you can pretty much get your hands on everything because everything is still available in the drugstores. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. So we are going to be using this palette today. This is the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette. I really do like this palette. I bought it with intentions of being able to film a bunch because I feel like you can do so much with this. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know, I think this is probably my third video using this, but I'm thinking I want to do something more along the lines of a light purple, like these two colors. So we're going to start off with let's do a little bit of Fuego right here in the crease. And I just primed my eyes with concealer, and the one that I'm using is the L'Oreal Infallible. These shadows go on so nice. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this light purple right here. I want to see how well this goes on. It's there's a lot of kickback. We're just gonna add this on the lid. Just gonna fall out. It is more on the powdery side, but it's still really pretty. So now I'm going to dip into Disco, and I'm going to add that right on top of it using the same brush. Oh, okay, so that's really pretty, but I think I'm going to use my fingers. I think this will go on a lot nicer. It's going to go on. Oh yeah, so that went on a lot nicer with my fingers. And I'm just going to push this in because I just want this to be a topper. And I'm keeping most of this right in the center of the lid. I'm going to take Spice and run this on my lower lash line. Okay, clean the brush off, and I'm going to use a little bit more of Fuego. And I'm just going to soften the outer edges of that because I was getting a little messy. You know what? I think I'm going to add a little bit of Spice also. And just add this right here, just in the outer edges. Just so it ties the look together, just for a little balance. And I'm going back in with the Disco. Just adding a little more to the center. I want to add something to inner tear duct, but I don't know. Oh, actually, okay, I do have this. This is the Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in Disco Queen. I love the formula of this. I have the other one over here that I really like. I think it's Flirty Birdie. Yeah, Flirty Birdie is really, really pretty. But I think Disco Queen is going to look really, really nice in the inner tear duct. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take a little bit and put it on the back of my hand. That's really nice. I don't think I want to add too much of this, but I'm going to take a brush like this, dip in a little bit, and just stamp. Oh, this is really nice. If you don't like glitter, stay away from these little glitter eyeshadows because they are super, super packed with glitter. Oh, that's pretty. Taking my fluffy brush, I'm just going to clean anything up. I do have a little bit on my hand. I'm going to add a little bit to the center, like directly in the center, just here. So because this is a really quick, easy, fast, glittery, pretty, sparkly makeup look, I'm skipping out on liner lashes. If you have time and you would like to, you can do all of that. And I'm also going to skip on adding mascara on the lower lashes. I'm just going to keep it very just kind of, I really want to say fresh, but it's not very fresh, you know, but you know what I'm talking about. So now we are going to move on to cheeks. What are we gonna do for the cheeks? I've been wanting to try this blush out. This is from L'Oreal Paris, the Enchanted Blush. This is in Fantasical. I got this from Marshall's. It was $3. So it's just a really, really nice peachy blush. I'm also going to skip out on doing yeah, I'm gonna skip out on doing highlighter also, just because I have a little bit of texture here, and I really haven't been too into cheek highlight. So we're just adding a little bit. This looks like there's a little bit of sheen, so I may be able to get away with this. It's very pigmented. So I'm just gonna add a little bit on the apples and bring it up. Yeah, there's some shine and sheen in here, so it's gonna be really, really pretty. That is pretty. I do like that blush a lot. I do want to add a little bit of highlight to the nose. Okay, so I do want to add a little bit of glow to the nose. I'm going to use this e.l.f. Apricot Glow. I feel like I've just been using a bunch of e.l.f. stuff, so I wanted to kind of stick with it. And I'm going to find a tiny little brush. Okay, let's do this one. And just right here. And here. So I added a little bit of this apricot glow, but it was a little too warm and peachy. So I'm mixing in a little bit of canvas from the palette and just kind of toning it down. And I'm liking that a lot more. And just blend a little bit. Okay, so this is the complete look for my lips. I went in with these two lip liners. This is also from the e.l.f. Retro Paradise collection. It comes in a pack of 4 lip liners, so these are the 2 middle brown ones. So I'm assuming 2 and 3. If you guys have the set, you'll know which ones I'm talking about. And then I use a little bit of gloss instead of lipstick today for the first time. And this is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss with the hyaluronic acid, and this is in the color 006 Reef. This actually has some color to it. It's nothing too crazy, but I do think it's really, really pretty, and I really like the formula. I feel like everything just, it doesn't feel like I have lipstick on. It just feels like it doesn't feel like I have lipstick or lip gloss on it. It just feels like I have a shiny lip balm on. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, this look, this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.